Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about switch statement, part of programming in C course. The switch statement in C is used as a multi-way branch statement. It is used to perform different actions based on different conditions. The switch statement takes an expression as its argument and compares the value of the expression to the values of each of the case labels within the switch block. If a match is found, the code following that case label is executed. If no match is found, the code following the optional default label is executed. Here is an example of a switch statement in C. In this example, the value of x is 2. So the code following the case 2 label is executed and the output of the program is x is 2. The break statement is used to exit the switch statement and transfer control to the statement immediately following the switch statement. If the break statement is not used, the code will continue to execute the code following the next case label, even if a match has been found. Another example of a switch statement. In this example, the value of x is 2, so the code following the case 2 label is executed. But the code following the case 3 label and default also get executed because there is no break statement. It is important to note that the expression in a switch statement must be an integer, character, or enumerated type. Also, the case labels within a switch statement must be unique and constants. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.